Did you ever notice that your fridge has a light, but your freezer doesn't? If you've caught that before, hit that subscribe button. If not, get ready for a frosty little mystery. It all comes down to how we use each compartment. We open our fridge way more often, grabbing milk, snacks, leftovers, so a light helps us quickly find what we need. But the freezer? We're usually in and out fast, and everything's stacked or frozen solid. And then there's the cost. Adding a light to the freezer means more wiring, more components, and it has to be cold resistant too. For manufacturers, it just isn't worth it for a space we don't stare into as much. Some high-end models do have freezer lights, but for most of us, we're left in the dark. Cold, quiet, and mysterious. Just like a freezer should be.